gonna die.
Coning, take one.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How about a pineapple mango smoothie today?
No, thank you. Can I have a 49-cent cone, please?
Anything else, Liz?
No, anything else you said?
No.
52, first window.
52.
Try not
There's
to
a
laugh.
50.
Try not to laugh. Yeah, really. You can't laugh. She's on this. I can't get video on this. It's hard. Dude, yeah, we can.
Look at her face.
Okay, did you know that it's like the biggest chick in the world that's working the drive-thru too? You have to get close. Oh, you have to get closer than that. Okay, just don't talk.
Okay.
Is this obvious?
Stop.
Okay.
Why the hell is my camera green? That's really funny. Stop.
No, I'm serious. Stop, because otherwise I won't be able to do this.
Like it works. Do you have it on a setting?
No.
Just look at it.
Stop! I'm just like picturing it. Stop. Just get on the car. My phone.
Don't laugh. Okay, get your laughing out now, guys. I'm just gonna pretend I'm not looking.
Jerry, that is so obvious.
Nah, she won't notice. She's focused on the food.
I can tell.
Ice cream?
Just a cone?
You guys, scary. I'm just gonna grab it and stick it in my mouth.
Wait, you're gonna grab it by the top? Wait, are you gonna grab it by the top? I know, really.
Don't even grab it by the ice cream.